Hey everyone, Professor Wise Owl here, and wow, look at Penny. She's looking a little empty today. Have you ever felt like Penny? Like you want to earn money, save money, maybe even get rich someday, but you're starting with absolutely nothing. You feel completely broke. Well, get ready to be amazed, because in this video, Penny and I are going to show you exactly how to make money when you're broke. Are you ready for an adventure into the world of making money from scratch? It might sound impossible, but trust me, it's not. We're going to unlock some super cool financial superpowers that even a 6th grader can use. Even if your piggy bank is empty, your brain is full of amazing skills, talents, and ideas. Your brain is your biggest bank. Inside are all the things you're good at, things you love to do, and things you know how to do. These are your money seeds. Alright, let's dive into our first secret weapon, your brain. That's right, think of your brain like a giant, super smart computer. So, the first step to making money when you're broke isn't about having money. It's about knowing yourself. For example, maybe you're really good at drawing, or super fast at typing, or awesome at explaining math problems, or even great at organizing your toys. These are all valuable skills that someone else might need help with. And guess what? People are willing to pay for help. This is what we call the help for pay power. It's simple. You offer your skills to help others, and they pay you for it. Actionable step 1. Grab a piece of paper and write down 5 things you're good at. Don't be shy. His neighbor, Mrs. Higgins, has a new complicated IKEA bookshelf she can't put together. Timmy offers to help for a small fee. Did you know your favorite hobby could be your first step to making money? Stick around to see how. Trading skills for coins, the help for pay power. Who in your life might need help with one of those things? Ask them. It's that simple. Now that you know your money seeds, it's time to plant them. Sometimes, you have to find the hidden treasure, those unique opportunities. Think about your neighbors, your family, friends, or even your own family. What kind of help do they need? She notices all her friends at school want cool bracelets, but no one makes them. Lily starts making extra ones and selling them for a small price. Soon, she's got a little business going. Maybe someone needs their dog walked, or their car washed, or help with yard work, or even just someone to organize their pantry. Example scenario 1. Let's say our friend Timmy, a little cartoon beaver, is super good at building things with Legos. You can sell them. Websites like eBay or local garage sales are perfect for this. What items do you have that you don't use anymore, but are still in good shape? Think about what you could make that others might want to buy. So far, we've identified our skills and learned how to offer them as help. See, no money needed to start. Every step builds on the last. Like if Lily bought more beads to make even more bracelets. Actionable step 2. Think about your list of skills. Finding hidden treasure opportunities everywhere. Sometimes, the money is just sitting there waiting for you to offer help. This means looking for things you can sell or create that people want. Do you have old toys, books, or clothes that you don't use anymore but are still in good condition? Example scenario 2. Our friend Lily, a little cartoon fox, loves making friendship bracelets. Did you know your old stuff could be a gold mine? Keep watching to learn how to make it happen. We've gone from identifying skills to offering help, and now to finding hidden treasures by selling things or creating new ones. Actionable step 3. Look around your room. The wealth ladder, growing your money seeds. Once you start earning those first few coins, you're not just making money, you're starting to climb the wealth ladder. This is where we talk about what to do after you make some money. You have a few choices. Choice 1. Reinvest. This means using some of the money you earned to make more money. Choice 2. Save. Put some money away for bigger goals, like a new bike or a special video game. This is like planting your money seeds in a special garden where they can grow big. We'll talk more about this in other videos, but for now, Just know that investing helps your money make even more money. The wrong way would be to spend it all on candy right away. Poof, it's gone. Choice 3. Invest. This is a bit more advanced, but it's like putting your money to work for you. Comparison: the right way versus the wrong way. Imagine you earn your first $10. The right way. You save $5. Use $3 to buy more supplies for your money-making activity. Every step helps you get closer to your financial goals. And maybe enjoy a small treat with the last $2. Now your money can keep growing. When you're making money, especially online, always be careful. Make a plan for your money. We've covered finding skills, offering help, selling items, and now, how to make your money grow. Actionable step 4. When you earn your next bit of money, think about these 3 choices: reinvest, save, or invest. Real money making takes a little effort and smart thinking. Always ask a trusted adult if you're unsure about something. Addressing pitfalls. Don't get tricked. Now, a quick word of caution, because sometimes things aren't what they seem. Negativity. Pitfall. Avoid anything that sounds too good to be true, like get rich overnight with no effort. It's about being smart, creative, and willing to take action. You just need your brain, your skills, and a little bit of determination. Conclusion: you've got this. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Let's quickly recap our money-making superpowers. Professor Wise Owl and Penny the Piggy Bank will see you next time. Wow, what a journey. Use your brain. Figure out what you're good at. Trade skills for coins. Offer to help others with your talents. Find hidden treasure. Sell things you don't need or create things others want. Climb the wealth ladder. Reinvest, save, or invest your earnings to make even more money. Remember our super simple core message: you don't need money to make money. Penny started with an empty wallet, but now she knows she has all the tools she needs to start earning. And guess what? So do you. You have incredible potential to build your own wealth, starting right now, even if you feel completely broke. If you found these money secrets helpful, hit that like button. And don't miss out on more easy-to-understand money tips and financial superpowers. What's one skill you're going to use to start making money? Tell us in the comments below. Share this video with a friend who also wants to learn how to make money when they re-broke. Thanks for watching, and remember, your financial adventure starts now.